Join us for Lok Sewa Aayog exam preparation, over 50,000 questions and their answers with appropriate reasons and solutions.
Question number 1. A collection of raw facts and figure is called A. Data, B. Information, C. Processing, D. None. And the correct answer is A. Data.
Because data refers to raw facts and figures that by themselves don't have meaning or context. It can be in the form of numbers, text, or symbols that need to be processed to become meaningful. Where B. Information. This option is incorrect because information is processed data that has meaning and context. Data becomes information when it is organized and analyzed. C. Processing. This option is incorrect because processing refers to the manipulation of data to transform it into information, not the raw facts themselves. None. This option is incorrect because the correct answer is data.
Question number 2. Computer is A. Accurate, B. Consistent, C. Reliable, D. All. And the correct answer is D. All.
Because a computer is known for being accurate, consistent, and reliable in performing tasks. These qualities make computers excellent for processing and handling data without human errors. Where A. Accurate. This option is correct, but doesn't encompass all the attributes of a computer. B. Consistent. This option is correct, but again, doesn't cover the full scope. C. Reliable. So this option is correct, but doesn't include the other key attributes of a computer.
Question number 3. A computer's main function is to A. Convert information into storage, B. Information, C. Display data, convert data into, D. Create data from information. And the correct answer is C. Display data, convert data into.
Because the primary function of a computer is to process data, converting raw data into information that can be displayed or used for further decision-making. Where A. Convert information into storage lands. This option is incorrect because the primary function is data processing, not just storing information. B. Information. This option is too vague. The main function of a computer is not just producing information, but converting raw data into meaningful output. D. Create data from information. This option is incorrect as computers process data into information, not create data from information.
Question number 4. The 4 main functions of a computer are A. Input, processing, output, and storage. B. Learning, thinking, intelligent, and virtuosity. C. Data, information, bits and bytes. D. Hardware, software, modeling, and operator. And the correct answer is A. Input, processing, output, and storage.
Because the 4 main functions of a computer are input, processing, output, and storage. These processes define how a computer receives, processes, displays, and stores data. Where B. Learning, thinking, intelligent, and virtuosity. This option is incorrect as it describes human-like qualities, not the basic functions of a computer. C. Data, information, bits and bytes. This option is incorrect because these are concepts related to data, not functions of a computer. D. Hardware, software, modeling, and operator. This option is incorrect as it lists elements of a computer system, not its core functions.
Question number 5. Another term for processed data is A. Processor. B. Output device. C. Storage. D. Information. And the correct answer is D. Information.
Because processed data is referred to as information. When data is processed, it is turned into meaningful, organized, and useful information. Where A. Processor preparation. This option is incorrect because a processor is the component that performs calculations and processes data, not the term for processed data. B. Output device. This option is incorrect because an output device is a hardware component that displays or produces the output from the processed data. C. Storage. This option is incorrect because storage refers to saving data, not processing it into information.
Question number 6. Creating motion from still pictures is called A. Animation. B. Movies. C. Sequencing. D. None. And the correct answer is A. Animation.
Because animation refers to the process of creating motion from still images. This process can be used in films, graphics, and other visual media. Where B. Movies. This option is incorrect because movies are films which may use animation but aren't solely defined as creating motion from still pictures. C. Sequencing. This option is incorrect because sequencing refers to arranging things in a sequence, not specifically creating motion from still images. And D. None. This option is incorrect as animation is the correct term.
Question number 7. Multimedia can include the use of A. Text. B. Animation. C. Voice. D. All. And the correct answer is D. All.
Because multimedia involves using various types of content such as text, animation, voice, and more to communicate messages and provide richer media experiences. Where A. Text. This option is incorrect because text is just one component of multimedia. B. Animation. This option is incorrect because animation is just one component of multimedia. C. Voice. This option is incorrect because voice is just one component of multimedia.
Question number 8. Data processing is also known as A. Calculating. B. Computing. C. Information technology. D. Merging. And the correct answer is B. Computing.
Because data processing refers to computing, where data is manipulated and transformed into useful information through various operations. Where A. Calculating des. This option is incorrect because calculating is just a part of data processing, but data processing encompasses more activities than just calculations. C. Information technology. This option is incorrect because information technology is a broader field that involves managing and processing information using computers, networks, and other technologies. D. Merging. This option is incorrect because merging refers to combining data, which is a specific task, not a synonym for data processing.
Question number 9. The actual system is produced in phase A. Design. B. Coding. C. Implementation. D. Testing. And the correct answer is C. Implementation.
Because the implementation phase is when the system is actually built, deployed, and made operational after designing and coding. It's the phase where the system becomes active. Where A. Design. This option is incorrect because design is about creating the blueprint for the system, not the actual building of the system. B, coding. This option is incorrect because coding involves writing the program, but doesn't make the system fully operational. D, testing. This option is incorrect because testing is the phase where the system is evaluated for bugs and issues, not when it is built.
Question number 10. The errors are detected and removed from the software in phase A. Design, B. Coding, C. Implementation, D. Testing. And the correct answer is D. Testing.
Because testing is the phase where errors, bugs, or defects in the software are detected and removed. It ensures that the system works as intended before going live. Where A, design. This option is incorrect because design focuses on planning the system, not identifying errors in the code. B, coding. This option is incorrect because coding is when the software is developed, but error removal happens during testing. C, implementation. This option is incorrect because implementation is when the system is deployed and used, not when it is tested for errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel to continue learning and preparation.